Hi, it's Roger from Kosovo Boat and Poseidon Boat. Today, I'm with my dealer from Philippines to visit the factory of our landing craft. So it's very successful visiting, and we do inspection for the one of the aluminum boat, 11 meters. So you can see on behind of me, we have this workshop, which is focused on the landing craft manufacturing from 5.8 meter to the 12 meters. Today we have been shipping loading container for 2 units 5.8 meter landing craft. And now you can see we have different size of landing craft, which is under manufacturing. So please follow me to see what we are building now. Firstly, you can see we have this big landing craft sit on the cradle. The dimension is 11 meter by 4 meters. It's designed with a shallow way and with a small wellhouse. You can see we have a tinted visible small wellhouse, tinted on the side with gray color and white colors. So these are appointed by the customers. Then you can see the wrap, which is the white stone. Very strong design. Then this bolted by 316 stainless steel, which is makes very strong connection with the wrap and the bottom of the boat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 on each side to make sure it's very strong. Then we have the bottom of the boat, which is fully welded from inside and outside, and very strong calcium protections to make sure it's a good protection when you do the pitching of the landing craft. And here, this one is the fitting for the trailers. Then you can see we have also put these strainers on the bottom to make better performance on the sea. Then on the side of the boat, see it's very strong aluminum. The bottom plate is 6 mm and on the side is 5 mm. And for the transom plate is the same 6 mm, which is very strong, made of marine grade aluminum alloy 5083 H116. It's one of the best material for building the aluminum boat. Then on the side, this designed for make the deck self-draining, so it's good for draining the water from the deck when you have the rough sea, when you have the heavy rains. So now I'm stepped to the transom of the boat. So now we are make ready to drain the hole for installation twin engines, outboard motors, and all the wiring is ready for the engine. So once the engine arrival, we'll be do the installations, the testings, make it turnkey package for the customers. Also on the back, we make alloy as well for protection the aluminum hull from the salt waters. So now we can jump on the boat to see the interior of the boat. Now I'm sitting on the deck of the boat. You can see it's a very big space. It's good for loading the pickup car, a truck, a small bus. It's all okay to be the transport between the islands. Then you can see we have the small wellhouse as well with the steps. Which we have everything ready, the steering, sister steering, all the switch panels, the breakers, the gauges, the compass, the engine controllers, everything is ready. It's used twin Yamaha outboard motors on all the cabin lights, sliding windows. So you can see from here, it's very good visibility from here to the front. So now let's go to the ball position to see the wrap. We put twin winch for the wrap, and also the safety chain as well. Safety chain, the locker for the wrap. Make sure it's safety on the oceans. So it will be both sides. And the whole deck is put with aluminum checker plate, which is anti-slippery, and we also put this lashing point when you're loading the car on the deck, 3 on each side. This is 11-meter landing craft. Now we have you can see we have more landing craft. Let's also have a look. Now I'm standing on front of the 7.9-meter landing craft, which is much smaller compared to 11 meters. And you can see for the building stage of this boat, we finished all the structural welding, the bottom welding. You can see all the stiffeners structures inside, which is very strong. And you can see all the welding finish is quite good. From the casing at the side, these are fully welded. So this makes sure the boat is quite strong for the ocean purpose. And next of this 7.9-meter landing craft, you have this 10-meter landing craft, which is we finished all the floorings on the boat. And now they are building the superstructure of the warehouse. So for the dimension of this boat is 10 meter by 3 meter, which is quite practical for loading one car or the cargo for 5 tons. It's also shallowly designed for the open sea purpose. Then on the next of this 10 meters, we have another 11 meters by 4 meters, which is a bit of different from the one I showed you before. It's with a small warehouse. It's good for the ocean crossing, the island transport. It's also with shallowly design, same shallowly design. And the point for this one is I show you this one with a smaller warehouse, and you can see we also have a small toilet room here, which is quite good. It's very convenient, small basin, so it's quite good for when you have the crew on board. They can conveniently use the toilet during the non-working hours. This is the access to the warehouse. It's quite a good space. We have a captain seat, co-captain seat, and also a lounge seat here. It's good for 5 crew inside. And this will be for all the steering wheel here. It's good visibility. Use a foldable wrap. Then will be installation all the window, the sliding windows, the doors, meters. Then you can see the back of the boat. We have designed with this pole bar. It's good for when you pour some item on the oceans. On the transom is designed for use twin outboard motors on the back, which is recommended for twin 25-inch outboard motors. So this the general design of this 11 meter, which is also a quite good design. Then we have another one is 11 meters in the cabin fishing boat. This is why we do the inspection today. It's one of the top selling fishing boat. Also on the side, we have this big water pole. It's for testing the boat stability and all the boat salary working. Make sure the condition of the boat is quite good. Another size we have is 9 meter by 2.5 meters, which is maximum size, can be loaded into the 40 HQ containers. So this is one of the popular models. We have one ready. It's made ready for deliveries, which is ready for delivery in 10 days. It's quite good. You see the finish is aluminum colors. It can be also painted as well. And all with aluminum checker plate, deep V design as well. With this small bauhaus. So this is one of the good model we have from the Landing Craft series. So today we have showed you the 7.9 meter, 9 meter, 10 meter, and 11 meters. So these are all the popular models. If you are looking for our Landing Craft from different size, please contact me. We have the full range, and also we can customize for you as well. Okay, that's all about today's factory visiting. Thank you. Bye-bye.